Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kenalkan nama saya Ferindra Setiawan dengan NPM 22063322. Dan di sini saya akan melanjutkan terkait penjelasan mengenai jawaban saya pada ujian akhir semester pada mata kuliah metode numerik. Dan ya, di sini pada video kali ini akan berfokus khususnya pada instruction, yaitu kita akan berfokus menggunakan software sebagai penyelesaian dari masalah yang ada. Jadi, tapi sebelum lanjut ke jawaban saya, mungkin di sini uh, Ferry Indra Setiawan ingin meminta maaf karena sebenarnya saya sudah membuat video ini sebelumnya, cuman setelah saya cek lagi ternyata audio saya tidak terdengar. Jadi mungkin ini adalah video kedua dari ujian akhir semester saya dan saya benar-benar minta maaf pada Pak Dai eh, terkait masalah ini karena pada saat itu seingat saya deadline eh, terkait video ini dimajukan sehingga membuat saya terburu-buru dan tidak mengecek ulang videonya dan ternyata video tersebut tidak bersuara. Saya benar-benar minta maaf. Oke, jadi mungkin untuk selanjutnya di sini saya akan mereview sedikit terkait masalah yang terlebih dahulu. Mungkin saya coba share screen terlebih dahulu di sini. Yaitu, oke, mungkin dapat terlihat di sini masalahnya terkait military application of Spring Mesh system. Okay, so the problem is about this, and we will focus on number one, yeah, which is model the suspension system of STP trailer while it's loaded with a satellite using these three different shocks. Maybe the data is given here, and we have part A, which is determine the critically damped value for each shock. Part B is about solve the spring mass system for each shock with the given damping value and also with the critically damped value. And the last part C, is discuss the model of each shock with regard to the satellite being placed on the trailer. Jadi from my analysis, decide which shock is best of the STT suspension system for loading and explain my answer. Okay, so maybe um uh, go on this. Okay, so was mathematic method application of spring system. Okay, well, maybe here I will explain just a little about the problem. So at first, to solve the problem, I'll use the first step. Yaitu model the suspension system. So we start by determining the critical damped value for each shock and comparing it to the given damping coefficient. And the second step, determine the critically damped value. Okay, maybe in here we will use the formula beta C equals 2 square root of Km, and where K is the spring constants and M is the mass of the loaded trailer. Okay, and step 3, we will solve the spring mass system, the spring mass damper system by the equation mx double action plus beta xn plus kx equals 0. The step 4, we'll plot the solution. We'll plot the displacement xt for each shock using the given damping coefficient and the critical damped value to compare the response. And the last, we'll analyze and design the bash. Okay. Okay, maybe here we'll uh, answer well, I will explain part A, which is determine the critically damped value. And yeah, we are given data yang diberikan yaitu mass of the loaded trailer M itu 1800 kilogram and displacement is 0.03 meter. So for each shock, we will calculate, and for the first specification atau yaitu air coaster, which is K is 220 Newton per meter, and beta is 100 Newton, um, sorry, Newton second per meter. Okay, so the critical damped value dengan menggunakan rumus tadi, we got the beta C, or critical damped value of air coaster, is 1257.44 Newton second meter, Newton second per meter. And yeah, that is for air coaster. And now is cloud riders, which is the same step. We will use the same formula, and we got critical damped value of cloud riders is 651.13 Newton second per meter. And the last one is this, and we will use the same step, which is we also use the same formula. So we got the critically damped of the critically damped value of this is 1107.80 Newton second per meter. Okay, so we got part A, and the second one is part B, which is of the spring system. Okay, so in the part B, we'll use the numerical methods to solve the differential equation for each shock, and I'll show the MATLAB script that performs the calculation and plots the result. Maybe I'll stop share first and share this. Okay, let's move on. Okay, here I define the parameter first, which is M is equals 1800 in kilogram, and also the XO is 0.03 initial displacement in meters. And for the air coaster, we got the same formula also in cloud riders and extreme shocks, and the time factor like this. And also I define the system and solve ODEs, which is like this. And yeah, for the air coaster and cloud riders, also the extreme shocks, I'll use the same formula. I mean, I use the same code. Yeah, of course, untuk melihat perbedaan dari ketiganya. Dan untuk plotting, I use this code. And yeah, after plotting, the result is in here in right side, figure 1. As we can see here, air coaster, the difference between air coaster, cloud riders, and also extreme shocks. And yeah, the X is time, and the Y is the displacement, which is in mirror. So maybe we'll move first into it's my presentation. Okay, so in the part C, or maybe I'll share the problem. Okay, in part C, we have to discuss the model of each shock with regard to the satellite being placed on the trailer. And for my analysis, I have to decided which shock is best for the STT. Okay, so maybe here is my analysis. So the analysis is the result. For air coaster, given damping beta is equal 100, is much less than critically damped value, which is 1257.44, and yeah, the system will be under damped and will exhibit oscillatory motion. Maybe as we can see in the next slide here, the figure, air pressure is like this. Given damping, ya, yang merah dan apa, and critical damper yang biru. Bisa lihat di sini dia seperti itu. And the second one is cloud riders. Given the damping is 1050 is much higher than critical damper value. As we can see here, the beta is 1050 and the critical depth value-nya or beta C is equal 951.13, and yeah, of course the system will be over damped, leading to the slow return to equilibrium without oscillation. And yeah, the last one is extreme shocks. Given the damping or beta is 1110, is very close to the critical damped value, which is 1107.8. So this shock will be near critical damped and balancing between fast damping and avoiding oscillations. Okay, stop share. Okay, so in my opinion, sorry. Okay, in my self opinion, the extreme shocks are the best for the STT suspension system because they provide damping very close to the critically damped condition. So ensuring the system returns to equilibrium quickly without oscillatory motion. So this is crucial for the safe loading and transport of the satellite. So maybe I'll pick the extreme shocks. Maybe mungkin untuk video kali ini sekian. Saya Ferindra Setiawan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.